Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I will be showing you how to make your iPhone darker than dark. Normally, to go into dark mode, you'll simply swipe down from the top right hand corner of your screen, or depending on the model iPhone you have, you would swipe up. And once in the control center, you're going to swipe down right here where you see the sunshine icon beside the volume. And that's normally how to put your phone in dark mode. And this would normally be the darkest, but I'm going to show you how to get it even darker than this. First, you will need to go into settings. Once in settings, you are going to scroll down and you're going to select accessibility. After selecting accessibility, you're going to tap on display and text size. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to see reduce white point. You're going to toggle that on, and as you can see, by turning it on, you can see that my phone screen has gotten darker. And to get it even darker, you could swipe along the line right here and you can see that it is getting even darker. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to make your iPhone darker than dark.